Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So on your Windows 11 computer, if the time zone is showing incorrect, so in my case the region is India, but the time zone is showing for Bangkok. So if you want to correct the time zone, then please follow the steps shown in this video. First of all, if you're using Outlook, then open Outlook. If you're not using Outlook, you can skip this step. But if you're using Outlook, open Outlook, go to File, and then go to Options. Now go to Calendar and then scroll down, and over here you can see time zones, and over here you can see all the time zone in the list. So you can click on this down arrow and then select the right time zone. In my case it was set to Bangkok in Outlook, so for me it's Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi for India. So select your time zone over here. So whichever is your time zone, make sure that you select your time zone and then click on OK. And then right now, let me check here. You can see the time zone is showing correct right now. So this is how you can set the time zone through Outlook. But if you're not using Outlook, then please follow the rest of the steps shown in this video. The first step is to enable location services. Now for this, go to settings and then go to privacy and security, or privacy in Windows 10. Now once you go to privacy, now scroll down and find location. Now click on location, and over here the option which says location services, if this is off, you can turn it on. Now once you turn it on, now you can go to time and language, date and time, and then you can check set time zone should be on. You can change it. If you turn it off, you can change it manually. You can turn it on. This should not be grayed out anymore. Now the next still not working. In that case, the next step is to use timedate.cpl. So you can, in the search box, you can type in timedate.cpl and then click on it, and from here you can change the time zone. So you can click on change time zone, and whichever is your time zone, you can select it from the list and then click on OK, and then you have to click on apply and then click on OK. And once this is done, now you can check. Still not working. Run PowerShell command to change the time zone. Now for this, to get the list of time zone, you can run this first command. So copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then run as administrator. Make sure that you open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow and then paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. This will show you the list of the time zones. So whichever is your time zone, you can just copy the first this ID. This is the time zone. Korea Standard Time Zone, whichever Australia Standard Time Zone. So you can select, you can find your time zone from the list, whichever is your time zone. And then once you find it, now this command over here, you can see the second command. You have to replace your time zone with your real time zone. So for me, it's Indian Standard Time. In your case, whichever is your time zone, you can just find it in the list. Now once you find it, once you replace your time zone with your time zone, now you can run the second command. Scroll down. At the end, you can paste this and hit the enter key. I think I made a mistake. Let me check. For me, it's Indian Standard Time. Here, India, it's not India Standard Time. So I made a mistake over here. So make sure that you write the time zone correctly. Now once you have the right time zone over here, now you can run the command. Now you should not receive any kind of error, and this should change your time zone, your date and time. Everything should be as per your real time zone. Now the next step is to turn off location for weather app. Now this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So you can open weather app, and then on the bottom left here you can see settings. Go to settings and then scroll down. Here you can see always detect my location. So you can turn this off. You can select default location, whatever you want. Just select default location over here, and then you can check your time zone. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to change the time zone successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.